बेटी का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट होएगा. Now
और
his
तो
birthdays
हुए
don't
थे
matter.
डिनर खाता है, वरना आज क्या क्या सिर्फ लंच खाया ब्रो.
अच्छा, तुम लोग ने ये देखा क्या? There's a guy in Punjab who put the Statue of Liberty on top of his house because he got rejected for the visa to. तो उसने बोला fuck you, मैं why go to USA? I will make Statue of
वो
Liberty.
वो सिर्फ स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी देखने जा रहा था क्या?
मतलब
ब्रो
धीरे
उधर
धीरे बनाएगा ना.
उधर ट्रम्प वॉल बना रहा है टू कीप पीपल आउट एंड द पीपल हु आर बीइंग केप्ट आउट आर मेकिंग द स्टैच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी ऑन देयर हाउस.
दे आर मेकिंग अमेरिका.
या
स्लोली यू सी उधर एक ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज आ गया,
ब्रो जो दूसरे
फेस
घर में
रिवर के
कनेक्ट
ऊपर
करे,
जा
जो दूसरे घर में कनेक्ट करेगा, और वो घर पे कोनी आइलैंड है.
रहा
ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज बनाने की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे गोखले ब्रिज नहीं बन रहा है. तुम लोग ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज बात कर रहे
और आधे पहले बोला बुकलिन ब्रिज.
हो.
Brooklyn Bridge because it opens.
या
चीजें ऐसा होता है तो कितने सारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स ऐसे ही बन जाएंगे भाई अपने सबके घर पे. और वो पंजाब से वो यूएस क्यों अप्लाई कर, उसको कनाडा अप्लाई करना चाहिए था, वो तो उसको तो ले लेते.
प्लान ही गलत है.
प्लान ही गलत है.
हाँ, प्लान गलत है.
कनाडा में अप्लाई करना चाहिए था, आपने यूएस में अप्लाई किया. चलो इसी बात पे एपिसोड चालू करते हैं. अम्मू अंकल. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random interesting videos or facts and trivia about the stories and we talk about it. And today we want to talk about more things other than just guys making statues of liberties on their terraces.
Statues
No.
of liberties.
Liberties. It's multiple liberties.
सबके अलग
Bro,
होंगे.
by the way, shit, I just realized the irony of that. The Statue of Liberty was there to welcome immigrants.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Give us your very.
You're tired, you're hungry, you're poor. ऐसा है ना कुछ?
Yeah.
गाइस मैं अभी अभी अपना टिकट बुक किया बाय द वे फॉर टू वॉच द वॉर फॉर द प्लैनेट ऑफ द एप्स एंड आई
is
एम
that what
नॉट.
it's called?
क्यों
I
तू
think
मंकी
so.
फैक्ट, तू मंकी
मैंने
मैंने
फैक्ट
नया मंकी मूवी
जो
है, मैं
अबे-
बुक कर दिया है. मैं अंधाधुन ही बुक किया है. नया बंदर का पिक्चर है. सो
अंधाधुन
अब मैं
दूसरा
देख रहा
movie
था.
है.
नाउ व्हाट स्कैरी टू मी इज द मोमेंट आई बुक द टिकट माय न्यूज फीड चेंज्ड.
Ah.
I started. This is the first article I got about this orangutan called Rakus from Indonesia. Okay, he's a 30-year-old orangutan, and he got into a fight with other orangutans. और उसके आँख पे उन लोग ने ऐसा मारा था. There's a chunk of skin missing. Okay, and then the researchers were there and they were observing him. In a week, it was healed and there was no sign of infection. It's like, how the fuck is he doing this? So they realized that this guy had been taking leaves from certain medicinal plants and applying it as a mesh. The plant is called Fibrauria tinctoria.
तुझे वो ओरंगुटान बराबर पढ़ पाएगा लेकिन तू नहीं पढ़ पाएगा.
उसको पता है,
तू
वो लगा रहा है.
फुगड़िया कर रहा है तेरे में.
ब्रो तू आज
Fibrauria.
आज तू बुकलिन ब्रिज बोला है भाई.
फुगड़िया उधर बंदर रेडी हो गया ब्रो. साइलर ही कर रहे उधर बाकी ओरंगुटान के साथ. खींच के आने का नहीं इधर. क्रेजी.
But dude, they're healing themselves. This is literally Planet of the Apes is starting.
And I can't believe your thing changed now after you booked Planet of the Apes. Other yours should have changed 2.5 years ago. I'm surprised you're getting any human story updates at all.
Dude, meko, acha, by the way, I thank everybody who's sending me videos of this one police officer who's giving CPR to a monkey. I have
What?
seen it. Yes, it is
that
great.
nice.
That guy is awesome. But meko bhejna band karo. I have acknowledged this. I see it.
but other, there are so many questions. Starting with, why is he giving CPR to a monkey?
Because वो मर रहा. तो क्या हुआ that वो एक छोटा सा चिंपैंजी था, उसको मारा बहुत लोग दूसरे चिंपैंजी ने और ये बेहोश हो गई बेचारी. तो this police officer went through hell to
But
just
one
give
second, the
CPR.
police officer was at a zoo?
No, वो नीचे ऐसे झाड़ वाड़ से गिर गई थी बेचारी. So
Where,
मदद
where
कर रहा
is
है
the,
कि
where, which country is this happening in?
India, India.
क्या में हो रहा है ब्रो?
There's a chimpanzee in India that,
चिंपैंजी नहीं,
I
सॉरी
fell
यार,
from
अपने
a
छोटे
tree.
वाले कौन से होते
छोटे
हैं?
oh, हाँ, तो, हाँ,
जमुरे.
okay,
जमुरे
हाँ,
ना वो वाले छोटे से.
हाँ,
langur, हाँ,
लंगूर नहीं, लंगूर भी बहुत बड़े होते हैं.
okay, whatever, the
But
brown one.
हाँ, the most typical Indian monkey. So this guy has gone like full on and CPR, mouth to mouth, and end में वो that monkey is so glad. So good on you, sir. This is how you start the Planet of the
Oh,
Apes.
one sec. Speaking of this, I've just seen one reel which has appeared on my timeline or something like that, where there is a guy going like this, okay? And there's a monkey sitting, okay? And this guy goes to the monkey like this, and then the monkey just cutely turns at this guy, right? And so the monkey obviously taps the hand to say क्या है? तो वो ये करता है, ठीक है? तो monkey उसको so you see the monkey
लाफा मारते हैं उसको.
उसको चाटा मारता कैमरा को.
But dogs and cats also understand this. I don't know why this is a
A
universal
monkey
offensive.
understanding middle finger and going to hit you is hilarious.
Bro, one
What?
sec, but I just want to say कि obviously उसने ये पहली बार मंकी को नहीं किया है.
Yeah.
मंकी गुस्सा हो गया. वो हर बार मूंगफली लेके आके ये करता रहेगा उसको. मंकी ने दिया रहेगा.
No, I think monkeys are smart, man. वो लोग
Of
अभी
course they are.
MBBS कर रहा है वो लोग.
Guys, guarantee मैं बोलता हूँ बाकी monkeys वो पुलिस ऑफिसर को देख के वो लोग माउथ टू माउथ एंड CPR सीख चुके हैं. This is a dangerous precedent. We are creating an entire breed of medically trained monkeys now.
Wow, bro.
Which brings me to my selected topic for today is
बहुत
this
खुश हूँ.
weird medicine, because I went down this monkey hole of finding out और क्या क्या है. What can we teach the monkeys?
Stop saying
The sentence
monkey
you
hole.
went down the monkey hole.
Just stop saying monkey hole.
Sorry,
Yeah.
rabbit hole.
It only works
Monkeys
with
don't live in
rabbits.
holes. For
Yeah.
some reason,
Rabbit,
holes
nobody
of-
bats an eye. Monkey hole. एक मिनट क्या बोला?
You guys know, but rabbit hole comes from Alice in Wonderland, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
because
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
yes, as opposed to monkey hole, which is
Guys, keep looking at Baba's hand. It disappears in the middle. It looks like there was a hand floating. ये
Like-
क्या है? रखना बीच में.
ऐसा ना.
Oh yeah.
चल. हाँ बता. तेरे monkey hole के बारे में बता आदर.
So this first one I found, it's called Dead Mouse Paste, which has nothing to do with the DJ. This is not his merch.
Hmm.
Yeah. And I like how the DJ Dead Mouse's merch is toothpaste.
अंदर डाल रहा है अपने मास्क के कैसे.
अरे
कि देख भाई तूने मेरे
वो-
कॉन्सर्ट पे आके जो भी किया है उसको भगाने के लिए तेरे को टूथपेस्ट की तो जरूरत पड़ेगी.
नहीं, वो
Dead
डेड
mouse.
माउस का वो लोगो, वो मंकी, वो जो बनी था वो ऐसे था ना माउस उसका, बनी टीथ के साथ. तो उसको टूथपेस्ट का जरूरत
हाँ.
पड़ेगा वो चमकाने के लिए.
तू सीक्रेटली गया लगता है मेरे को भाई सब गिग्स पे.
नहीं.
हाँ.
तुझे बहुत ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन है for somebody who shouldn't know this.
Yeah.
No, but also Deadmau5 was relevant around the time that Baba was trailing off in his pop culture knowledge.
Yeah. This was famous. So the Dead Mouse Paste was popular during the ancient Egyptian time, which is when Baba was going through. Baba was
I'm
going
still
through
thinking
puberty.
of the DJ. I'm still thinking of the DJ. It was popular during ancient Egyptian time.
So,
I don't
Baba
know.
must have been like 12, 13 years old. So ये लोग क्या करते थे? Now they are actually putting this in their mouth. Okay, so they would do this in the hope of easing tooth pain. So mashed mouse was mixed with other ingredients and was applied to the painful spot.
Oh man.
Your
But does
brain
it
has- so the brain has distracted you from the pain by saying you put something disgusting in your mouth.
No, it stops paining. You don't need to brush after that ever again because you will die after
Putting a rat in your mouth.
dead rat in your mouth.
Then you
What
become
is
dead
irritating?
mouse.
No,
Then
but
you become dead mouse.
English people were famous for having, and are still famous for having bad teeth. So there again, the mice come up. They used to make it. It was a remedy for warts, and so they used to cut a mouse in half, apply it to the offender. तो ये लोग तो और भी गए गुजरे, सीधा के सीधा काट के ऐसे डाल रहे हैं
But one second, it was a remedy for
Okay?
for warts. Warts.
oh
what?
So they used to also fry them and bake them in pies.
What?
So it's yeah.
Even
So
say mice pie.
yeah, mice pie. So they used to use the mice pies as a remedy for whooping cough, measles, smallpox, and for some reason bedwetting.
इन लोग चूहे में बहुत ज्यादा ट्रस्ट नहीं डाल रहे और फिर बोल रहे कि हमारे यहाँ तो 400 साल प्लेग चला था. हाँ, क्योंकि तुम चूहे खा रहे थे भाई. तुम चूहे दबा रहे हो रोज. But और ये I found one, okay, in which अभी तेरे को headache होता है, चल let me ask, तेरे को
वो
headache होता है, तू तेरा क्या है go to?
डिस्प्रिन, दो डिस्प्रिन पानी में,
डिस्प्रिन, क्रोसिन, हाँ.
तेरा क्या है बाबा? 2 डिस्प्रिन पानी में,
दो डिस्प्रिन पानी में मेल्ट हो गए ब्रो, मैजिक मैजिक।
okay?
Hmm.
आदर तेरा क्या है?
I have some Crocin and a really strong cup of coffee.
Okay.
Caffeine helps with headache.
हाँ,
Really?
और भावतुक तेरा?
Oh, I mostly suffer through it.
But actually that's good. You're not one of those कि immediately pop कर लिया, निकाल देते हो, तू कर दे आ रहा है. That's good. It's a good thing also that for me it's Saridon. I'm not trying to promote any दवाई, but Saridon या तो फिर टाइगर बाम या तो टाइगर बाम.
टाइगर बाम
हाँ
इज
यार.
ग्रेट।
टाइगर बाम ऐसे मलने का, ऐसे ऐसे रुमाल बांधने का सर पे और ऐसे टाइट ऐसे बांध देने का. वाओ
आई डोंट वांट टू बी एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑन द सेट ऑफ हम, बट माय
वाओ.
पॉइंट इज कि कैप्टन जटैक नहीं बनने का मेरे को। बट मेरा ना हेडेक के साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि फॉर मी नो इट्स द वर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ पेन बिकॉज इट फक्स यू, इट फक्स फंक्शनैलिटी, लाइक हेडेक फक्स फंक्शन, यू कांट फंक्शन विद अ हेडेक, तू कॉन्स्टेंटली ऐसा, और मेरा जब होता है ना तो ऐसे सिर पकड़ लेता है, लाइक ऐसा, then I'm gone, so then I have to, I don't take as much pills as much as I need to, but like this,
Ideally you shouldn't. And it's a good thing we weren't alive in the ancient times because they had a thing called trepanning. Do you guys know what a trepanning is?
this sounds like
No.
a verb for an action that is not nice.
Wait, let me
Oh,
guess.
So
They took a nail and then they just, if you got a headache, they put it here and they
Labot-
अरे
hammered
नहीं, वो
it.
tetanus,
wow,
वो
I think
tetanus
some
होता है.
of your ancient ancestors did go through it.
Did
और वो तेरे को
trepanning.
genetically भेज दिया है. You're close.
They take a hammer and hit you.
Bro, they would can drill a hole in your head. If your head is hurting so
Oh.
badly, तू कह रहा है डॉक्टर, अरे डॉक्टर मेरा सर बहुत दर्द कर रहा है. हाँ, 1 मिनट उसको पकड़ो, फिर तेरे को बैठाएंगे और तेरे ऊपर एक कंट्रैप्शन डाल के तेरे स्कल में खड्डा करेंगे.
So
मैं
that your
सच
head
बोलूं,
hurts more?
नहीं, मैं सच बोलूं, मेरा
So
कभी
that you
सर
just
दुखता था ना,
die.
I wanted to sometimes just like be able to remove my brain and side में इसको रख दो कि इसका हो जाए swelling खत्म and then I can put it back. I honestly feel somebody must have thought, but apparently this is still, I've been watching House, so this helps to reduce intracranial pressure.
Pressure, yeah.
You put it in the side of the temple in case there is too much intracranial pressure.
Dude,
So
but
doctors also use.
how bad were the headaches back in the day? कि डॉक्टर सजेस्ट कर रहा है बट पेशेंट भी बोल रहा है हाँ कर दे यार, कर दे, बहुत बहुत दुख रहा है प्लीज.
I
Also,
think the way the thing went, तेरे को पक्का ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए. हाँ डॉक्टर मेरा सर बहुत दुख, तेरे को पक्का ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए.
There's no going back from it.
हाँ डॉक्टर मैं आई कांट हैंडल इट. ठीक है, जरा पकड़ो.
ठाकुर
वहां पे वो बंदा सोच रहा है कि नेविल ने तो बोला था बस खाली 2 पिल्स डालते हैं पानी में, ये क्या दे रहे हैं.
No, the thing is, I've had headaches sometimes
हाँ,
3 times a week, 4 times a week. So every time you get another
घंटे
one.
करते जा रहा है.
your skull looks like Swiss cheese.
I have a question. Is that where the phrase came, fucked in the head came from?
Yeah.
Okay, fucked in the head is the next step after drilling a hole into your head.
हाँ,
Then you can possibly fuck the head.
So I feel like these doctors, I think this is a great way of getting repeat business. क्योंकि बंदा हेडेक के लिए आया, ठीक है, फिर तू खड्डा कर दिया स्कल में, फिर वो बोलता है अगले दिन आके, सर मेरा वो सेरिब्रो स्पाइनल फ्लूइड लीक हो रहा है, कुछ लगाओ. फिर तू वो ठीक करता है. मेरे ब्रेन पे हवा लग रहा है सर, ठंडा लग रहा है. क्या
बहुत ठंड लग रहा है. वहां पे वो कॉर्क, ऐसा
it all
वाइन का
ends
कॉर्क
with-
डाल रहा है उधर.
Eventually it ends with, एक मिनट रुक, ये चूहा लेके आ रहे.
चूहा डाल,
बंद कर.
चूहे का सर डाल दिया.
और सब ऐसे डार्क एजेस में कि यार भाई आजकल लोग ज्यादा बीमार नहीं पड़ रहे, मतलब कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कुछ.
Doctors in the dark ages didn't know anything more than the average person. They just were more confident.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
just got-
yeah, exactly.
Basically, doctors in the dark ages were the roadie participants today.
Yeah, dude, I feel like doctors in the dark ages, their main thing was that they had access to dead mice, cockroach.
Yeah.
कि ये इनका main चीज था कि I have various animals that I can use in different ways that you can't get at your house.
at your house.
मेरे घर में बहुत कीड़े मकोड़े हैं, क्या करूं इन लोग का? हाउ कैन आई टर्न अ
MBBS.
प्रॉफिट? एमबीबी
मैं क्लिनिक खोल देता हूँ
Bro,
उधर
अगर
से कोड आया रहेगा कंपाउंडर पाउंड कर रहा है उसको उधर से ही आया रहेगा कंपाउंडर
No, no, it was compounder because you came with one problem and they just compounded it.
compound.
come for the headache, stay for whatever the fuck else might happen after we drill a hole into your head. Yes, sir. अगर तो 1920s में अगर तू एक बच्चा था, ठीक है, और तेरे को हो गई कॉफ.
कैसा था नेविल?
मैं बच्चा
Neville
नहीं था
was
वो
Neville
बच्चा
was
नहीं था
through
तू.
a child in every age.
तो अगर 1920 से 30s में जर्मनी में अगर तू बच्चा था और तुझे होता है कॉफ,
हाँ,
तो तेरे मम्मी पापा तुझे लेके जाते डॉक्टर के पास, जो तुझे प्रिस्क्राइब करता क्या? अगर
कोकेन
इधर होते तो बेनाड्रिल, क्या है, कॉफ कॉफ से
कॉफसिल
1920s Germany, fascism.
कोकेन
फैशिज्म. हाँ, क्या तेरे गले में फैशिज्म डाल?
कोकेन कोकेन
क्लोज बाबा.
ओके
हेरोइन.
हेरोइन
Heroin.
हेरोइन ब्रो. 1 second.
हेरोइन
1 second. You know, तू समझ लेगा, चल, not that cocaine is good, but heroin and it's going to a kid.
Yeah, yeah.
यस यस
No, बच्चे लोग को बहुत
And
कुछ
by
दिया
the
जाता
way,
था.
I saw the bottle.
Yeah,
ठीक
I
है,
was just about to try and show that.
you saw the bottle. They are not even. It's not like, oh, the thing is called cough go away और उसमें एक ingredient है heroin. नहीं,
Yes.
उसका फोटो पे लिखा है heroin.
एक minute. That's exactly what I was trying to Google. Just give me a second. And here you go, guys.
Oh my God.
It says
Of aspirin and heroin.
Oh, by the way, it's from Bayer, which is still around.
Yeah, dude, उन लोग तो भाई नाजीज
It says heroin. Straight.
हॉरिबल दिस ना,
straight up.
उस पे लिख
Wow.
दिया है, छुपा के भी नहीं रखा है.
You know, the thing is, you go in for these things, right? Like back in the day, it was so pure. You've discovered these very powerful pharmaceuticals, right?
Aspirin and heroin.
Yeah.
A sedative for coughs.
तो
My
मैं
God.
आई एम वेरी श्योर 1930s में जर्मनी में बेवजह लोग डॉक्टर एक्सक्यूज मी थोड़ा दे देंगे क्या, मेरे बच्चे
Yes.
खाते हैं, लेकिन तुम क्यों खा रहे हो? अरे मुझे उससे आई थी, दे दो मुझे.
Kautuk, sorry, you were saying something about this thing. What were you saying?
No, just the fact that when these drugs were like before you knew what
Unregulated.
they were, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
The fact that clinically, it works a little bit, and I mean works a lot because people don't come back for any other problem.
Correct.
Right? So you initially, just the fact that heroin, when it was first produced, they must have been like, fuck, what a miracle drug. कि पब्लिक को भी, like when you ask them कि कैसा लगा, अरे मस्त
अरे मजा आया.
मस्त.
Yeah, medicines for the first time are nice. You don't
Yeah.
need a spoonful of sugar to swallow this.
And what a step up from drilling a hole in my head, right?
Getting heroin off the counter.
Bro,
Yeah.
उधर एक नाना जी है जो बोल रहा है तुम बच्चा लोग कितना लकी है मालूम है, ये तू छेद
हमारे
देख रहा है?
टाइम पे
दिसंबर 1819 में मेरे को एक हेडेक हुआ था, ये वो छेद है क्योंकि तब ये ले हेरोइन पी चुपचाप.
And the thing is like that same Dadaji, right? The kid who then grows up, right? And eventually heroin is criminalized.
Yeah.
And Dadaji can't believe it. He's like, hey, this society is going to the dogs. Back when I was young, you went to a doctor and got your heroin. What is this going to a back alley and meeting shady strangers?
And what's worse is this Nanaji now has developed a resistance. So Disprin, Cofsil, Strepsil does not work. He gets a cough, he needs heroin only. But heroin है ही नहीं. दादाजी बोल रहा है भाई ये Strepsil, बस 7 साल की उम्र में मेरे को हेरोइन दिया था.
क्योंकि नाना जी कंटेल नहीं खा रहे. By the way, ये मेरा हेरोइन है.
But that completely makes sense why they used to call it a druggist.
yeah.
कि वो poppy seeds को heroin बना रहा.
But I'll tell you, I'm not even surprised. तो अपने जैसे अभी बॉम्बे में जैसे अपने जो बिल्डिंग में होता है ना डॉक्टर्स, they have their own dispensary, फिर तेरा एक कंपाउंडर होता है ये वो, and they always have these white color pills, yellow color pills, orange, red, and no matter what illness you've gone to them for, you get a different combination of those 10 only.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
have to fully trust that
Full
dude's.
trust, and their liquid always comes out of some non descriptive
Descriptive
bottle.
Dude, one
And then-
second.
and you like have a sip here, have a shot
And
here,
they
you
used
have
to
it
be-
there.
And they used to
Heroin
be-
hai, bro, compal.
Bro, and
Compal
Kautuk,
heroin.
Kautuk will just come to you, and in that same bottle, they used to have hexagon-shaped stickers. And I realized it so much later in my life that each hexagon was the dose.
Oh,
Oh,
I
So you
didn't.
remember that little strip that used to be there on a bottle? So there was a strip from the top to the bottom. It was white in color, and it used to be like many hexagons connected to each other. That used to be actually one dose, so you had to take it up to that one hexagon. So yeah, sorry,
Fuck.
Kautuk, you were saying.
No, I've seen a compounder take out that it's that very bright radiation emitting pink liquid,
Pepto Bismol
yeah.
color. Yes.
right? I've seen him taking it
The
out
main
of a,
ingredient gamma rays hai usme.
bro, he's taken it out of a jerry can
Yeah,
in which you put gasoline. He's poured it out of that.
एक तो it's already undesirable when you see that liquid, like anything वो जो पेट का कुछ भी ठीक करने के लिए होता है, Gelusil, this that is the worst tasting. Like I've never had anything that tasted good when I have ruined my stomach.
And I also feel like the compounder's main job, at least for me, has always been that he's the translator between that parchi that comes
handwriting.
from the doctor. Yeah, because he tells me what I have to do, right? He goes like, take this 3 times, take this after lunch, take this after dinner.
No, but they'll never say it fast. They'll be like, "Ah, ye subah ka, do sham ko," and then you always do have to do a double take. That ek minute, kya?
Yeah.
Ek subah ko, do dophar ko, do raat ko. You're like, fuck. Your initial few days of medicine taking on your own that your parents didn't give you was a little like, एक मिनट यार उसने क्या बोला था ये दिन में 3, दोपहर को 2, रात को 4 कि कभी क्या फिर रमेश एक टाइम पे सब.
God,
हाँ.
that was.
फिर आता
So there's one that I had. By the way, since we're talking about Germany, so Germany in the 30s, this was
जब भी कुछ
and
भी
this
चल रहा था.
one person had popularized this meth being taken medicinally.
medicinally.
So Hitler had a cocktail of meth and vitamins, which a doctor used to give him in his butt. I don't know why this information has been shared, but the injections were taken in his butt. So, and that made him physically active, talkative, and very cheerful throughout the day. If I had to put any adjectives to this person, I wouldn't say cheerful as this horrible human being.
Yeah,
Good.
and second, he's getting straight up crystal meth.
Yeah.
in
So that's
his
why when
ass.
you see this footage of Hitler and he's always moving fast, it's not because of the cameras. Everybody else around him is moving slow. It's just Hitler is moving fast.
Hitler का shutter speed ही fast था.
Bro, there's I think a lot of research done on this. A lot of the blitzkrieg and all of this, right? It was also fueled by drugs.
Insanity. Yeah.
amphetamines.
It
Amphetamines.
was so it was
Because it
like
keeps you going, right? Dude, even these assholes who did apna 26-11 idhar, Kasab and fucking gang, all of them were hopped up on amphetamines because there's no way in hell तेरे में energy कैसे रहेगा इतना time to be engaged in gunfights, running around, being awake all day, making sure nobody. They are all hopped up on this shit. It's also easier to get you to do fuck all shit, right? Like,
Yeah, just absolute psychotic behavior. This is what encourages that. It's like insanity the way these guys used to do some stuff.
yeah, like
Then-
there were reports from like so when the Nazis used to attack with the blitzkrieg, so the people who were defending against them, right? They used to there were reports coming out that these guys would be like, it was so scary because you would see these guys running towards certain death,
Yeah.
screaming.
God.
Like that was what the blitzkrieg was like. They just overran everybody, just high. They used to have the same this thing. In fact, there's some research done about this. Ki Vikings back in the day, same.
Huh.
Ki
still,
tu- not crystal meth, but like they were high on something.
So
So
the Spartans also must be that. Any extreme warrior class, can we at some point just trace it back to drugs?
By the way, I say research was done, but it could just well be some conspiracy theorist somewhere who was like, fuck it, they were high.
But it's on the internet, so it's on the show.
Yeah.
It's good. You do your own research.
No, but also we love making fun of like all these guys who are rich monarchs and kings. The French kings were particularly useless, like Louis the 16th and all. So like kuch bhi to make your time pass, like something to just make your life interesting. So there was one thing called clisters. Can you guess what clisters were?
Wait,
Uh,
give some more context. It
They were
was
tennis player. They were tennis player, no? Kim Clijsters.
Oh, Kim Clijsters.
Hey, Clijster. So Clijster is basically it was a very archaic word used for enema.
oh
Oh,
Hima, okay.
So
wait,
this
they
is
used to do
because-
enemas for fun, is what you were
Yeah,
saying.
because I think they had to do enemas because वहाँ पे Louis the 16th अपने बीवी के साथ बैठ के खाली केक खा रहा है, bread नहीं खा रहा है. So I'm guessing that they needed the enemas, and so apparently the doctors, to make the enemas interesting, would mix it with
once again, that's a very broad term. Interesting for who?
for them.
For the
Which is
doctor.
like, हाँ,
For the
for the
patient.
king. It's like हमारा special, because anything the king does has to be special, right? It can't be a regular enema. So these doctors used to add, to make it they would add perfumes, they would add coffee, herbs, honey, chamomile, and that's how the enema was given to Louis the 16th.
गलती से मार्बल ऐड नहीं कर दिया ये एनिमा के टाइम पे.
ब्रो
Yeah,
बट
very-
इतना ही बना रहे तो पी ही लेना,
हाँ,
उधर से क्या ले रहा है?
जिससे like, चाय बना के पी ले, ठीक हो जाएगा भाई. कुछ क्या है ऐसा घी
Perfume
वी
क्यों डाल रही है पब्लिक अंदर?
एक पालक का सूप पी ले
वेरी
भाई.
गुड. एक बार कभी घाट धो लेते हैं लोग, तो दैट वुड हैव आल्सो बीन गुड एज अपोज्ड टू जस्ट यूजिंग टिश्यू पेपर. लाइक सर, आपका आधा प्रॉब्लम बस धोने से
टिश्यू
निकल
पेपर भी
जाएगा.
नहीं था ना वो. They used to use whatever papyrus and all that, na?
So Louis the 14th apparently is said to have had more than 2,000 enemas.
But it's actually very healthy.
What
It is,
enemas?
but not with
Not
perfume,
2000. You don't need
not with
2000,
Chanel
but
number 5. Ideally, don't do enema with Chanel number 5.
1 second. If you
It's Chanel number
afford
2.
to do- Chanel number 2 is funny.
Okay,
Baba.
Baba is gone. Baba gone.
Yeah, bro. ये ना एंशिएंट इजिप्ट में कुछ भी चल रहा था भाई.
क्यों?
ये okay, guess what they must have used to disinfect cuts.
Disinfect
Leeches.
No, wait.
Leeches.
तेरा कट आ गया है तो खून निकल जाए, अपन बैंडेड लगा देते हैं, एलोवेरा, सोफ्रामाइसिन,
They used
कैलाश जीवन.
human blood.
हाँ,
Human blood.
No, wait. Mummies. They used to mummify.
they use mummies. ये
Human
mummies
का
powder.
वो
Powdered
pharaoh
mummies.
वगैरह सब बेरी होके तू बोल रहा है किसी का पैर छिल गया तो उन लोग खड्डा खोद के मम्मी को निकाले. नहीं भाई, आजा.
क्योंकि अरे
तो
मम्मी
नहीं
के
जाने
पास
दूंगा आफ्टर लाइफ.
अरे मम्मी पे एक्स्ट्रा बैंडेजेस है ना, वो लोग निकाल के वो उधर डाल सकते हैं बस.
नहीं, क्योंकि अरे वो है ना,
मम्मी को तो टिश्यू पेपर जैसे क्या यूज कर रहे हैं.
जो जब भी
मालूम पड़ा एंड में ऐसे ही बैठा टूथम का बना. अरे भाई कहाँ गई मेरा.
क्यों मेरे को नंगा कर दिया तुम
लोगों
लोग.
को बहुत कट्स आ रहे हैं.
bro, whenever you get hurt, you first thing you say is mummy. So they thought they want mummy, so they
Good.
were calling mummy. But I also think, no, one sec, but Varun, to answer your question, was it some sort of like dung? Was it some sort of like
See, that would still make sense because you're trying to cover it. These
Okay,
ancient
the
Egyptians
four
were using
principles. Dung, bile, क्या है?
anything na beeswax,
Phlegm.
whatever that you think it'll
हाँ.
get to cover or disinfect the.
Correct.
ये पब्लिक मोल्डी ब्रेड यूज कर रही है. मोल्डी ब्रेड.
Moldy
so
bread.
they're using maggots to like
They are using
spores.
because it,
Maggots were used during World War II to disinfect wounds because maggots go after only necrocious skin.
Right. Yeah.
So they usually don't attack fresh skin. So that's why maggots were used to disinfect a wound during the World War in the field, and then they used to patch them up. So, but moldy bread
Right.
का क्या है?
moldy bread में apparently bacteria है that helps in curing it fast.
Must be the
Oh.
same.
Yeah. and it stops like penicillin. This one also stops disease growing bacteria apparently.
तो
तो ये एशियन इजिप्ट में हो रहा था, but then many years later, Louis Pasteur discovered that this was actually a plausible technique to use.
तो अभी वो केक बेच रहे हैं लापास्ते
केक बेच रहा है। नहीं, वो परसों का केक बेच रहा
वो परसों का
लापास्ते
है। सर केक है, भूख लगी है, बर्थडे है कि तेरे को कट है? सर कर पैर छिल गया। अरे
except it's
बर्थडे
no
का
longer except
अरे
it's no longer La Pasteur, it is Tha Pasteur.
फेस्टिवल। वाह।
bro, I like every fact that has come out so far has made me more and more thankful
That we live in
कि अपन हाँ ये सेंचुरी के
Oh,
साइड
wait.
पे आए हैं थोड़ा.
Wait. In
अरे
case
bro.
you had the problems with fertility during the 1900s,
Oh god, I can't wait.
what is the logical solution? Like in the 1900s, please imagine. लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि अरे नहीं बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है, क्या करे?
So don't
So
have
what
the
would be
child.
a solution they would give to a father?
Don't have the child.
They
This
They
Dr.
would-
John Brinkley didn't have that same idea.
Oh, then
He thought-
maybe have another spouse and have the child with them.
No. It's like
This
Voich.
is
Voich, I want my wife and my child. So then he realizes, wait, ये आदमी यहाँ है, मेरे वहां बगीचे में एक गोट है, उसके बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं. So then he decides,
To fuck the
he's
goat.
good.
no.
No. He
I'm-
decides to take the goat is very fertile. So he decides what this man could use
Oh,
is
bro.
a little leg up, a little test one of the testicles from the goat. He tried to implant it in human scrotums, which was horrible as an experiment, and everybody died.
Oh my god.
But the fact that the first person died should have been enough of a deterrent for other people not to come to him. I don't know why so
How
many
much
people-
infertility was there?
Dude, उस टाइम बच्चा बहुत
This is a
इंपॉर्टेंट होता
regular
था ना कि बच्चे पैदा करने. और बाय द वे उस टाइम 12 बच्चे चाहिए ना सबको. सोचते हैं अरे मेरे खाली 8 बच्चे क्यों है, मेरे को चाहिए 15.
8 बच्चे तो इनफर्टाइल थोड़ी है।
हाँ बट वो हो गया ना.
But
सकते
उसको-
8 बच्चे का
अरे
खत्म हो
लेकिन
गया।
शर्मा जी के 32 बच्चे हैं, ऐसे
Yeah,
कैसे हो सकता है?
exactly. Oh man, I also feel bad for this goat who
Yeah,
Bro,
the goat was
no-
just
no
living its
fault.
For
life.
no reason
No
has
fault.
sacrificed a testicle.
no fault of his.
Bro, that
तो
goat
वहाँ
would have been biryani
Yeah.
the next day. तो क्या है, एटलीस्ट जिंदा तो है, अभी एक टेस्टिकल है लेकिन वो गोट के पास।
वो आगे अपना
अरे यार।
उसका गोट का वंश बढ़ रहा है आगे. बाद में से बच्चे पैदा हो रहे हैं with horns and all.
No, they did that ना. Goat का this transplant thing became really popular the first time I heard, not testicles, but Tiger Pataudi had a goat's eye, सब लोग बोलते थे ना. Isn't that
नहीं,
There was a
there was
goat's
a
eye. No, he had a
glass.
glass eye.
They
Glass
say-
eye.
आप बे ये फैला था क्या रे? He had gotten hurt तो बकरे का आग लगाया था. मतलब बकरे का आग लगा दिया. And वो टाइम पे तो full belief. हाँ, on.
He had a glass eye.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm not saying he has a बकरे का eye. बचपन में हम लोग को बोलते थे.
He-
तब मैंने ये सुना था और तब मैंने बिलीव किया था कि हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स इंसान में बकरी की आग डाल सकते हैं.
हाँ,
Yeah,
I
सब
didn't
चलता
even
है.
had an eye.
तो बहुत कुछ आ रहा है ना. तू sheep का heart beat हो रहा है किसी में, ये सब हो रहा है ना. Sheep
Yeah,
का
now they've
Yeah.
they're trying to grow organs within animals which can be used in human beings.
Yeah, for harvesting. Yeah.
तो एक आदमी को I'd done a second-hand story. I think we've mentioned this once before also, but basically this guy was given a transplant from a pig's heart, a heart that was
Wow.
grown in a pig,
Yeah.
and that was a transplant that was
Grown
done.
in a pig. So it's
Yeah.
not the pig's heart. There's a second.
It's like a slightly different. So they basically what they're doing is they're trying to see if you can if you can use animals as a carrier for organs, for human organs. So it's like, because the thing is by the way, these stories are insane, these organ transplant stories, because right now the way it works is you need organs from human beings
Hmm.
and you need them fresh. So what that means is that when there is an accident or something like that, and if a person is a donor, they rush to the spot, harvest the organs, and then immediately they are transported. Now, some of these stories are like thrillers. कि एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, हार्ट निकाला है, हार्ट को एक आइस बॉक्स में डाला है, हेलीकॉप्टर में डाला है, हेलीकॉप्टर इज फ्लोन, Okay, so if you're a person on the waiting list, they immediately call, come to the hospital. Now there's a thing. You rush to the hospital, helicopter lands on the helipad of the hospital. Guy rushes out with this ice box. He trips.
Oh no!
Heart tumbles out. Everyone gathers quickly. Heart ki tarah. They pick it up, put it back in the ice box, take it to the thing. Thankfully, it was a successful.
अबे हार्ट है, इडली थोड़ी है,
5
इडली
seconds.
वड़ा थोड़ी ऐसा फूक
5
किया,
seconds.
डाल दिया वापस, चलो
नहीं,
अभी सांभर में डाल
वो
के
हार्ट
खा
को
लो।
पकड़ बोला है राम के भूत जब भी बचपन में करते थे
5 सेकंड
three-
बोला वही थे।
अबे हार्ट पे 3 सेकंड रूल नहीं चलता है।
अरे ब्रो खाने पे भी
आई
नहीं
थिंक
चलता
हार्ट
वो
पे
तो।
ज्यादा चलता है ना 3 सेकंड रूल। कल मेरा टॉफी गिर गया नीचे में 10 सेकंड के बाद भी खा लूंगा, हार्ट गिरा है 10 सेकंड के लिए।
I just want to, y'all haven't seen this one movie clip that has done the rounds about this heart transplant. So there is a guy who is getting shot
seen
on
this.
the ground floor or something like that. He's in the middle of a fight and he's got one heart in an ice box. The heat of Chennai, I assume.
One
And-
second, one rewind.
This is the
He is
Oh,
fighting,
God.
but he has a standby heart.
Yes.
Oh no, he's
Standby
not.
heart
Neville is
के साथ fight कर रहा है।
sorry, Thakur. Neville is not setting this up right. This is it's a Tollywood film. It's a Tollywood film where the hero has to get a heart, and his wife is there on the operating table. Neville,
No, it's some
कोई
other.
तो है, किसी
कोई
का
तो है।
चेस्ट खुला पड़ा है, डॉक्टर्स आर
yeah,
वर्किंग ऑन
yeah,
इट,
yeah.
and
किसी
he
का-
They're
उसका
operating
somebody,
on the
it's
guy.
his loved one, it's
No,
his
you're
loved
not
one, and they have to
understanding,
get
Varun
there.
Thakur, when I
अब वो
say
लड़ने
this-
आ रहा है और
एक मिनट,
गुंडे आ रहे हैं उसको
एक मिनट।
रोकने के लिए।
Other mesos है 1 minute. The other problem with the thing is ये आदमी you're not understanding when he says operate हो रहा है, ये आदमी लेटा है, उसका छाती खुला है, तो
Rib clip सब
पेपर क्लिप लगा
Yeah,
के
yeah.
खुल के रखा है उसका
Yeah,
हार्ट,
yeah.
ठीक है,
Butterfly किया.
उधर जगह है हार्ट का, तो ये जो आदमी नीचे झगड़ा वगड़ा कर रहा है वो फ्राई हो गया है कि बहुत टाइम लग रहा है ऊपर जाने को, तो वो हार्ट लेता है और ग्राउंड फ्लोर से फेंकता है। रुक, हार्ट जाता है हॉस्पिटल का 5वें माले पे, कांच तोड़ के उसके हार्ट के अंदर जाके एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन में बैठता है।
Fit हो
और
जाता है.
बीट करना शुरू कर देता है।
आर्टरी सब कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं अपने आप।
अरे हाथ पकड़ता है वैसे.
वो हार्ट ही ऐसे कर रहा है, चल।
के लिए तो
है
इसका नाम
बैनर।
हाथ है ताकि वो पकड़ पाए, हार्ट नहीं है।
हार्ट के हाथ थे।
हाँ, तो
और उधर डॉक्टर बोले चलो निकलते फिर बेंचो हम इधर चलो, छोड़ो इसके रिब्स भी शायद खुद ही बंद हो जाएंगे, चलो भाई निकल रहे हम, सर बच जाओ, अरे तेरा हार्ट तो खुद ही हो गया, रिब बंद कर सर, वो कर सकता है, मैं नहीं, रिब्स
Firstly-
आप बंद करो।
Firstly-
वहां पे ओरंगेटैंग आ रहा है पत्ते लगाने के लिए। यार ये डॉक्टर लोग तो सब साले कामचोर है।
But firstly, the guy who has done shot put with the heart. ये तो नीचे
ये
से
शॉर्ट
फेंका.
पुट नहीं है, ये जैवलिन थ्रो किया है इसने हार्ट के साथ।
एक मिनट, ये लेकिन हॉस्पिटल के ग्राउंड फ्लोर से क्या उसने एंगल पे फेंका है,
But not even stop to think कि उसका रूम नंबर कौन सा
कौन सा रूम नंबर,
वहां पे किसी का लंग ट्रांसप्लांट हो रहा है।
उधर लिवर ट्रांसप्लांट हो रहा है, उधर हार्ट चलेगा किसी का। डॉक्टर भी कहते सर अभी इसके लिवर में तो हार्ट, इसके पास 2 हार्ट है, तो चूते को हार्ट से उधर लिवर जा रहा है।
एक मिनट,
मेरे 2 हार्ट।
वो वाला नहीं देखा
आपके हार्ट की जगह पे लिवर आ गया, सॉरी, आपका दोस्त का बहुत अच्छा थ्रू है, और हमारे यहाँ पर हम ऐसे ऑपरेशन करते हैं, एक बार बॉडी पार्ट अंदर आ गया
चला
बस
चला।
But also the fact कि there is no, how do I put it, like there is no checks and balances.
Yeah. Also, the fact that the heart has survived going through a glass window without getting
तोड़ क्या
scratched,
है?
nothing. It's a
There is no
delicate.
glass shot in the body, whether the blood group matches, he's going to take to it. Have you not? Did none of this?
See,
ब्लड
I want to
ग्रुप,
I want to ask, वो
दैट्स अ
बर्फ
प्रॉब्लम।
बर्फ में
रुक
कैसे
तो
ले
भाई।
जा रहा है? थैली में, जैसे थैली में गोला का बर्फ होता है, वैसे में ऐसे हार्ट है।
The other,
अच्छा, आइस बॉक्स में।
other, you are confused. You are talking about another movie in
हाँ।
which he pulls out the heart from an oven.
Yeah.
One second,
He pulls out
rewind.
a brain. He pulls out a brain.
Brain. It's a brain
from an
transplant.
oven.
It's
Yeah.
and the oven says deep freeze.
If
अरे ठाकुर तेरे को पता नहीं है ये so this was a
Art-
movie.
Art department,
मास्टरपीस थे
art
This is-
department has gone out of their way to create something. The director ने बोला है
So
कुछ बनाओ.
the brief is we need a deep freeze. So they're like, what do you mean? They're like, see, I need a box which opens and like there's something inside. Oh, box that opens with something. एक second.
ये लाया
He's got
toaster oven.
he's got the oven. He's put deep freeze on top so you don't mistake it for an oven. But
And
बाजू
when
में
it
सब
opens-
dial वाइल सब है.
And when it
Says
opens,
temperature.
Thakur, when it opens, the light is red.
And the thing is,
like a regular deep freeze with red light.
सब
the
पक
thing
रहा है,
is,
हाँ.
तेरे deep freeze के बाजू में grill क्यों लिखा है?
हाँ,
और तेरा deep freeze 0 to 220 क्यों जा रहा है?
हाँ.
But ये तो this this heart transplant in a movie is what's that guy's name? Amores Perros.
हाँ.
Amores Perros पे यही तो है कि उस शॉन पेन में वो किसी और का हार्ट आ जाता है तो नेओमी वॉट्स को उससे प्यार हो जाता है.
क्या
हाँ, वो
बोल रहा है?
ठीक है. अरे
हाँ,
बट
भाई,
ये कुछ और
उसको
चल रहा
इंडिया
है.
में ही बना है सेम चीज. और एक
हाँ.
मिनट सॉरी याद टू कट यू. मेरे को अभी एक याद आ रही मूवी मिथुन की.
ए
I
बाय द
think
वे,
this is the
वन
same
सेकंड, वन
one.
सेकंड. वो
चीता.
प्यार किसी और से हो जाता है. दैट इज अ भाई मूवी बाय द वे. इफ वी हैड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गेट भाई.
कौन
It's
सा
अरबाज
अरबाज
खान.
खान देखा है जिसमें शॉन पेन है?
No, wait, 1 second. What is this Arbaz Khan film?
नो
So,
वो
it's the
हेलो
same
ब्रदर
movie.
है.
हेलो
Hello,
ब्रदर,
brother.
जिसमें हाँ सलमान खान का हार्ट अरबाज खान में चला जाता है. एंड अरबाज खान फॉल्स इन लव विद
रानी
रानी
मुखर्जी.
मुखर्जी. हाँ.
But this came before Amores Perros.
Bro,
अरे Amores
तो
Perros
तो
है,
अमोरेस
ये थोड़ी
पेरोस
है
has
story.
copied हेलो ब्रदर.
But one
One
second,
second.
Amores Perros का स्टोरी ये थोड़ी है. वो तो 3 लोग हैं ना मेक्सिको में. हाँ.
I really don't think this is
Sorry, not
Amores
Amores
Perros.
Perros. My bad. 21 grams. 21 grams.
grams. Benicio del Toro you are talking about.
21 grams. Sorry, I got confused with
Benos.
the Inarritu movie.
बेनोसियर डेल टोरो.
Benicio del Toro है उसमें. क्या
21 grams. 21 grams. क्योंकि
उसमें
हार्ट का वेट है 21 ग्राम.
नहीं, सोल का वेट है 21 ग्राम.
अच्छा, मेरे तो पिक्चर
नहीं.
देखो कुछ अलग ही समझ में आई है मतलब.
Yeah, so when you die, apparently your body weight decreases by 21 grams. So they
Then
say that
therefore
that's your
matches the
soul
weight of
leaving
the
your
soul.
body.
This
अरे
is the
यार,
same.
मैं बोला इनरे तू क्या स्मार्ट है. हार्ट का वेट है 21 ग्राम इसलिए 21 ग्राम कर रहा है.
नहीं,
That's
नहीं.
impossible. हार्ट का weight consistent सबका 21 ग्राम.
By the way, you think after watching all these movies, people go to cardiologists and before they have their open heart surgery and all that, they
Sir,
go like
आपके पास deep freeze में कुछ है तो निकाल के दो
नहीं,
ना.
where they just
कौन
ask कि
फेंक रहा है, मेरे को दिखाओ.
नहीं, they just ask the cardiologist seriously कि sir ये surgery के बाद will I love my wife less?
या
Will I love my children less? Like मेरा प्यार तो नहीं कम हो जाएगा ना सर? क्योंकि हार्ट बदलने से, हार्ट में कुछ करने से, यहाँ से प्यार आता है ना सर.
सर आपकी वाइफ का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन शायद आपको अग्रवाल सर की बीवी पे थोड़ा आ जाए दिल.
Because it's such a simple connection they've drawn ना कि दिल से प्यार आता है तो दिल चेंज तो प्यार चेंज.
ऑल्सो
ये
वन
सब-
सेकेंड, ये डीप फ्रीज
सबके
का
पहले
जो चक्कर
मिथुन
है.
ने किया था. मिथुन को एक इसमें वो मर जाता है फिर किसी का ब्रेन उसके अंदर आ जाता है.
यही है वो
हाँ,
deep freeze,
हाँ,
I
हाँ.
think.
या डीप फ्रीज है. So,
डीप
first
फ्रीज
of all,
I think-
नहीं,
deep
मिथुन
freeze
का
में
ब्रेन आ
तुम-
जाता है एंड देन ही बिकम्स चीता एंड ही
Yeah, yeah,
टेक्स रिवेंज.
या तो डीप फ्रीज में उसका ब्रेन रखते हैं. दिस इज अ मिथुन मूवी ओनली. दिस इज द वन दैट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट.
कितने बार
बट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. डीप फ्रीज में तुम ऑर्गन रख रहे हो तो फ्रीज हो जाएगा ना. तो उसको सीधा निकाल के नहीं डाल सकते बिकॉज यू हैव
अभी
टू
तो
वेट
खुला
फॉर
थोड़ी
इट
रख
टू
रहा
थॉ.
है बर्फ जैसे उसको छूते हैं उसको रखेगा ना
But
अपने
then-
कंटेनर में.
अरे बट यू हैव टू वेट फॉर इट टू थॉ ना फॉर अ बिट. कि उसको जैसा तू नॉर्मली बनाता है जो भी चिकन नगेट्स.
अरे तू भेजा से बनाता है, उसमें क्या हो गया?
अरे बट उसको ऐसा बर्फ का टुकड़ा थोड़ी डाल सकता है सर के अंदर.
ना वो किसी के अंदर फ्रोजन हार्ट डाल दे तो वो एकदम कोल्ड हार्टेड आदमी बन जाएगा.
ब्रो
जो ट्रांसप्लांट के पहले वाज वेरी नाइस और अभी एकदम वो गुस्सा है. नहीं तुम यहाँ से निकल जाओ.
अरुण ठाकुर, आर यू रेडी?
फॉर हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट.
ओ
ब्रो उधर साइड में लाइट चल रही है.
Yeah, it's literally an oven. It's literally an oven.
चल रहा है ग्रिल.
और नीचे बर्फ भी है. आई लव दैट देयर इज बर्फ एट द बॉटम.
तो ये
ये क्या है? ये दिमाग है. इतना छोटा दिमाग है. क्या चींटी का दिमाग है क्या?
What film is this?
अच्छा. So
दिया और
हाँ,
तूफान.
I know. Mithun's दिमाग goes into this woman's head and she becomes a karate champion
या ऐसे कुछ तो है.
and she takes revenge.
या
Crazy.
Wow.
Can't wait. I can't imagine what the pitch meeting for that was like.
I love how they got
अगर आप
Mithun
संडे
to
को फ्री हो
agree.
शूट करने, हाँ ठीक है, आ जाना.
I don't think there was a meeting.
इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ मीटिंग नहीं था, सिर्फ उसको पूछा तो फ्री है क्या संडे को. हाँ फ्री हो, आ जाना. उधर मिथुन सेट पे पूछा, सर आपका दिमाग इसकी औरत के अंदर जा रहा है. क्या
But
हुआ है?
तुम लोग को घर पे मम्मी ने कभी ऐसा अजीब अजीब चीजें नहीं बोला? Sometimes it's like too hard to believe, but then when you do it, it actually helps.
That's
Yeah.
everything your mother says ever.
Yeah, it's just the most bizarre ways to cure yourself, and it's like it just works. कुछ है
नुस्खे
क्या
माँ
तुम
के
लोग का?
नुस्खे,
माँ के नुस्खे.
माँ के नुस्खे या दादी माँ के नुस्खे, always.
Bro, can I tell you about one nuska? I just want to put it out there as public service from mom. Okay, तो
हाँ
3 दिन पहले ये किया है, इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. तुम लोग मेरा हालत देखा था पिछले वाले टेपिंग में. मैं
हाँ हाँ.
कौन था, ठीक है. तो मेरा मम्मी एक चीज बनाता था कॉल्ड एग फ्लिप. ओके,
एग,
इट
अंडा.
एग एग एग
ऐसा अंडा तोड़ो और फिर अंडे को ऐसे करने का.
So, but the thing about the egg flip is it's it's one of those really mom's recipes, and I think the only reason it works is because mom told you it works. So I think it works on placebo because there is no medical evidence that this should work. Okay, it's a half-boiled egg. Okay,
Okay.
with honey, haldi,
Frozen.
salt, and milk, hot milk. Okay, and you stir it, and therefore the flipping. So it's egg flip, and then you
Sorry,
drink
Baba, can you just tell the ingredients one more time?
Yeah, once
Something
more.
got cut in the middle.
half-boiled egg. It's a half-boiled egg, honey, okay, salt, haldi, and hot milk. And then you whisk it together, flip it together, and then you drink it. I think my mom only
Basically,
put the egg. The
it's
mom,
a kada with egg.
yeah, I think my mom put an egg only so that I could drink it. But bro, मैं बोल रहा है
So
मैं,
that you could drink it?
yeah, because मैं नहीं पिएगा ना कुछ भी चिकन विकन के
I
बिना.
thought she put the honey so you could drink it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Egg. कि मॉम दिस इज टू स्वीट, मजा नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ बेटा, उसमें अंडा डाल दे.
तू
पारसी
तू
पारसी.
कैसा यूथ था कि तेरे को काढ़े में भी थोड़ा विस्की सावर.
बट ये अंडा वाला मैंने भी किया है. नॉट फॉर काढ़ा बट जस्ट फॉर
एनर्जी.
बॉडी बिल्डिंग.
So
Yeah.
अंडे को दूध में डाल के
Hmm.
हनी, और मैं पीता था.
I could never do this.
no,
I
but
could.
not कच्चा अंडा. Mine is half-boiled अंडा.
नहीं, मैं
Yeah.
कच्चा
Mine
कच्चा
used to be,
अंडा.
yeah, I used to do this. I used to do this during my football days.
Yeah. अरे एग भाई, एग तो माशाल्लाह.
No,
It's
no,
the best.
egg. I mean, I'm Parsi, bro. I can do egg with anything. The point is not that. Point is, thing. But yeah, this egg flip thing is something, and literally, I've had it in the heat. You know, normally I used to have this in winter when I got a cold or whatever. Mom used to do then. But in the middle of this heat, because I was so unwell, I had it, and thank you, mom. Thank you.
Bro, I make my own. I make this काढ़ा. अदरक, क्या बोलते हैं, लेमन ग्रास, टर्मरिक, और ये क्या होता है वो स्वीट वाला,
cinnamन.
सिनेमन, उसके साथ.
Miswak.
हाँ, नहीं नहीं,
ये
मैं तो
ये किया है cinnamon के लिए, bro.
ये समझा ना. तो ऐसा होता है. तो मैं वो बहुत बनाता था. एंड इनफैक्ट इन द अर्ली डेज ऑफ मी ट्राइंग टू हिट ऑन निकिता, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट वर्कड
Cinnamon.
Was ये
वाज काढ़ा. कि
हाँ.
उसकी तबीयत खराब थी, तो हम लोग साथ में जा रहे थे. आई वाज गोइंग टू ड्रॉप हर टू ऑफिस एंड गो अहेड.
Oh, I thought तू
तो
काढ़ा पी
मैंने
के
उसको
it
मिलने के
was some
पहले,
breath
हाँ?
वेथ का कुछ चक्कर था कैसे काढ़ा पी के.
नहीं रे चूते, उसकी तबीयत खराब थी. उसको मैं यहाँ से मस्त पैकी काढ़ा बना के गया, वो वाले स्टेनलेस वाले
Flask में.
में, कि चलेगा तेरे को, रात को भी तेरे को बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं हूँ तेरे रक्षा के लिए. तो वो बना के लेके आके उसको दिया था. एंड आफ्टर वी स्टार्टेड डेटिंग, वन डे वी वर सिटिंग एंड chatting, she said, you know that one thing you had done, I remember when I was sick and you came with the kada and you so sweetly made more and I actually felt better.
तभी भी ulterior motive.
अल्टीरिया.
ulterior motive.
अभी लिटरली वो है कि जब भी उसका गला खराब होता है, गो मेक मी अ काढ़ा. अरे यार, अभी मैं ही बनाता हूँ घर पे काढ़ा.
But
Bro,
Varun
the
has had weird things always. I have seen him just bite a adrak from
Yeah.
the side of his
It's
bag.
good. अदरक is good.
अरे
दबेश.
but तू बैग के बैग अदरक नहीं खा सकता ना. बिना ऐसे बैग के साइड में, जैसे तू अपने जिम के बैग में जूते रखता है ना साइड में, वैसा वरुण के बैग में साइड में ऐसा अदरक होता था, एंड यू वुड सी वरुण बेंट ओवर हिज बैग, एंड यू सी ऐसे करके ही टेक्स अ मैसिव पीस, bites it like an apple and puts it back and then walks on stage.
That's hardcore. But in our house, the first line of defense, the absolute, the infantry,
On
the vanguard,
division.
the vanguard of the defense is haldi doodh.
हल्दी
Best.
दूध.
Best.
You know, you start complaining about anything first, right? The first try. Have you had haldi doodh? Haldi doodh piya?
Arey, but my ankle is hurting. It's okay.
Yeah, haldi doodh. Yeah.
But anti-inflammatory, na?
अरे
अबे हल्दी किस पे भी, हल्दी तू वूंड पे डाल, तेरा कट गया है उस पे तू हल्दी डाल, तेरा गला खराब है उस पे तू हल्दी डाल, तेरे को स्किन ग्लो करना है, हल्दी डाल,
अरे ये इजिप्शियन लोग के पास हल्दी नहीं
तेरे
था
को
ना।
भूख लगी है तेरे दाल में हल्दी डाल, तो
Haldi dal. Yeah.
Hmm.
तो
बाप.
तेरे
They
इजिप्शियन लोग के
what
पास
have
नहीं था
they
ना हल्दी।
they call
Dude,
it
I tell
something na
you,
in the West? What have they
yes,
discovered haldi? What have they?
yeah, so
Turmeric
turmeric.
chai latte.
Turmeric chai latte.
तो फर्स्ट टाइम माय पेरेंट्स एंड आई वी आर इन यूएस 2018 में, हम लोग स्टारबक्स पे है और तभी टर्मरिक लाटे आया है. मेरी मॉम की सनक गई है कि जब भी हम इंडियन मदर्स बोलते थे हल्दी दूध, none of you kids would listen, and now people are paying $20 फॉर दिस, जो भी जितना भी पैसा था याद नहीं है, हल्दी दूध.
Obnoxious. It's by the way, I found out that
They started
chai.
doing these, sorry Adar, just because you're
sorry.
talking Hindi, they started doing these little like cubes, ठीक है, jelly type, but उसमें है turmeric to alleviate symptoms of cough, cold, throatache and all of that. ये भी मिल रहा है वेस्ट में. $10 का ऐसा एक 6 आते हैं उसमें, 8 आते हैं उसमें.
Turmeric gummies.
turmeric gummies चल रहा है, तो पब्लिक वो भी सोच, इधर अपने इतने टाइम से हल्दी खेल रहे हैं, कोई किसी को समझ में नहीं आता.
अबे लेकिन यहाँ पे इसलिए तो इन्वेट किया था, हम लोग का ही हल्दी यूज कर रहे हैं लोग आज तक कोल्ड स्टोरेज में रखे.
चूतिया से.
Deep freeze में.
But I didn't know the difference between a chai and a chai latte. The chai latte is 100 times more disgusting.
Oh,
So
Chai
what is a
latte, when
latte?
you have chai latte, you whoever made the latte, you go and give him
A
fucking
kick.
some latte. ये चूते क्यों बनाए हैं? ये क्यों बनाए?
So the latte is made by foaming the milk. So it's
अरे, it's a
foamed milk.
typical latte, but with chai in it.
Yeah. Which
Yeah,
tastes horrible.
Yeah. This much doodh in your chai, who wants, bro? Yuck. Just
it's much doodh.
There's just a
Yes,
problem. Kautuk, you've had my chai. It's not
It
like
has to be chocolatey brown,
Yes.
but not too brown, not shouldn't look black, and definitely can't look white.
Yeah.
no, but Kautuk, fucking say my tea is good, you bloody
Yeah. Genuinely.
Hmm.
Baba's
Abhi
tea is
Neville is so dedicated. Like when we are going to the airport now for our next set of shows, Neville will have a thermos with tea for all of us.
No,
He
I
comes
will
ready.
have it for
No,
himself.
it's for him.
Yeah.
It's never in his life will Neville come with a thermos of tea
for others.
anyone else but himself.
No.
That's true.
One sec. Tea I've given, okay? When you come home,
No, we're not saying you don't give.
घर पे तो obligation है.
तू चाय देता है, लेकिन अगर तू खास लेके आए तो हम लोग के लिए भी तो अपने लिए लेके आए, which is not bad, क्योंकि हम लोग कॉफी पीते हैं.
मैं तो ब्रो ऐसा, और मैं कितना चाय पीता है, मैं 1 लीटर 1.5 लीटर चाय तो पीता है दिन में. तो
ये अच्छी बात नहीं है, लेकिन बाबा
Oh,
बाबा
by the way,
जग है, जग बियर मग होता है ना, देखो अक्टूबर फेस्ट में जो मिलता है वो साइज का,
Stanley
उसके
Cup.
अंदर चाय है, वैसे उसमें जितना चाय पीता है बाबा.
क्या बोल रहे कौतुक?
dude, so like you have a lot of these, like, so there is nuske and then there are these old wives' tales, not necessarily to do with medicine and healing and all, but just like we have some wisdom that we found ki this correlates to this thing. Most surprising thing that I found to be true was this. So when Siddhi was pregnant, she used to get a lot of heartburn, right? And the old wives' tale is that if you are pregnant and you're getting heartburn, then you have a baby with a lot of hair. Okay, so the baby has hair. And so we were like, oh, dekhte. And when Ira was born, she truly had a full head of hair.
Wow.
So this is true.
Oh.
This is an old wives' tale, which is absolutely true. So apparently, it's also true. Like we looked it up later online, also 100% true.
And but if for any other pregnant women watching our podcast, अगर heartburn हुआ तो अजवाइन खाते हैं, ऐसे मैंने सुना है.
Yes.
बस ये जो झापा होते हैं ना, they call them झापा. So when I think it's towards the last 3 months or last 2 months.
No. Yeah, last 3 or post.
Oh yeah, matlab some people start early or some people whatever last month, but going into the first few months of the baby being born,
Hmm.
तो मेरी फ्रेंड ओमना के घर पे एक थी झापा, ठीक है. तो शी वुड मेक अजवाइन का बहुत सारी चीज, एक पेस्ट बनता था, उसकी रोटी बनती थी, उसका लड्डू बन रहा है. एंड
Yeah.
आई एक्चुअली टेक अजवाइन. मेरे को जब भी अगर कुछ जैसे गैस वैस वाला हुआ सीन, अजवाइन
Best.
और गर्म पानी.
Alright, so that also there's one trick which is a thing which is a little ajwain, a little jeera, and a little saunf. You boil it. So
Yeah.
you boil it with water and you keep it and
नहीं,
then
इसलिए मैं गर्म पानी पीता हूँ, अंदर बॉईल हो रहा पेट में.
chumma it is too good. It's too good for all this. At my age, you need all these tricks.
But bro, I used to do all this earlier only. I started, I've realized that जो ये थोड़े जो चीजें जो घर वाले ना, you should do it because I've actually seen the benefits of it.
Dude, your father-in-law, Thakur, your
हाँ?
father-in-law has one
Bro,
full diet
हैरी
and
तो अलग लेवल पे चल रहा है. You'll find out in the next vlog. Okay, not
Yeah.
you won't find out that much, but my father-in-law is one, like, he's not a trained doctor, but he's done so much research not only on himself because he's got few ailments, but he has actually used घर का नुस्खास to help his other friends to वो शुगर रिड्यूस करने में. कोई डायबिटिक है, उसके डाइट के लिए वो क्रेजी है. कभी उसके साथ बैठ के बात करेगा ना, तेरे को मालूम पड़ेगा. इनसेन.
Nice.
और स्किन के लिए टमाटर यूज किया क्या कभी तुमने? टमाटर.
अरे guys, अभी skin का तो
Tomato you have
कुछ
to
भी चल
use.
रहा है.
Tomato
Okay.
you have to use for detanning.
Yeah, but
मैं
everything
क्रिकेट खेल
has-
के आता था ना ब्रो. क्रिकेट तो गर्मी में खेल रहा है उधर हैरी गाइल शील्ड. तो हम लोग जब भी घर पे आते थे, वी वर 7 shades darker. ठीक है. एंड द प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट डार्क तो ठीक है, बट दिस यूज्ड टू बी दैट अनइवन सन बर्न पैची सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. सो दैट टमाटर घिसेश.
it works.
मैं तो खाता भी था टमाटर. तू मेरे को ऐसे टमाटर देगा ना, मैं ऐसे खा जाएगा टमाटर.
Yeah, I love raw
तो
tomato.
तेरे
मेरे को it used to
ग्लो आता है.
activate my gag reflex for some reason. I don't know why.
For
टमाटर.
tomato.
All through my childhood, it used to and now I eat it, but earlier it used to activate my gag reflex so badly.
That used to happen to me if I found a tomato in a burger. I don't like tomatoes in my burger or in my sandwich. You
What?
give me a tomato like that, मैं 2 खा लूंगा straight up. मुंह पे घिसना है, मुंह पे घिस लूंगा. टोमेटो सूप पी लूंगा, no problem. But
What
तुम्हारे
is
burger
what
में
is this
टमाटर डाल
one
के दे
bad
दो, मैं
experience
तो
you
खाने के
had
लिए.
with a sandwich with a tomato की तेरा full put
Yes.
off?
कौन सा
नहीं,
roadside sandwich? What was that?
रोड साइड पे
sandwich?
भी नहीं. मैं तो रोड साइड तो मजे में. बट मेरे को वो टमाटर का
इसलिए तो-
कंसिस्टेंसी इनसाइड अ सैंडविच आई डोंट लाइक.
Because it soggifies and then
बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है.
वो
एक्स्ट्रा
bread खराब
टमाटर नहीं
करता है.
रहता. वो टमाटर था. हैज बीन टमाटर नहीं चाहिए मुझे फ्रेश अभी
it was
वाला.
a tomater.
अरे क्या बात.
वाह वाह वाह. अच्छा,
जो
I've
बात
got
टमाटर की हो रही है, हम लोग फ्लोरेंस में थे ना जब, तो हम लोग का
हाँ.
एयरबीएनबी वाला हम लोग का दोस्त बन गया. अच्छा ठीक है. तो हमको घुमा रहा है ये वो वाइन कंट्री. तो हम लोग उसके गए घर पे. उसने और उसके बाप ने साथ में लिटरली करके बंगला बनाया, अपना घर बनाया, ये वो क्रेजी गार्डन अराउंड दिस दैट. और हम लोग ऐसे बैठे, तो वो वाइन खोल के आया और लिटरली मेरे बाजू में ना ऐसे चेरी टमाटो का ऐसे ट्री है. इट्स द
अच्छा.
रेडेस्ट चेरी टमाटोज आई हैव सीन.
grapes की तरह खा रहे हैं.
That's very nice. He's like, yeah, why don't you try one? ये किया मैं तो धोया भी नहीं है. मैंने ये किया है और सीधा मुंह में डाला है. Bro, it is so fucking sweet. It's the best cherry tomato I've eaten in my life. It is so
ठाकुर
good.
वो चेरी था, टमाटो
हाँ.
नहीं था.
तो कुछ और ही fruits खा के
Bro, बहुत
Excited.
मस्त है.
Hey, that day we were Baba, you weren't there. Adar, I and Thakur, we were at Thakur's place writing for the next show. So we have for snacks, we have just called for blueberries.
yeah.
तो एक बॉक्स में ब्लूबेरी आया है.
Blueberry.
क्या खाया? क्या किया?
आदर
उसको सांभर में डिप किया.
नहीं,
नहीं,
ऐसे
नहीं.
का है, ऐसे का है. But it was must. The thing is, like, again with blueberries, right? Now people just like they use these
Eaten a
words.
lot of course. Three of you for a snack would have eaten a lot of blueberries.
No, it was
Yeah.
just Adar and I. We finished the whole box in about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
So, but the thing about blueberries is na कि they use this for a lot of foods now. Antioxidant.
हाँ सब में है भाई
It is antioxidant.
सब में एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है आजकल
Abhi, yeah, exactly. Like meaning I don't even truly know what that means.
Bro, this
Yeah.
masala lab guy, no? Please.
No, so there's
बस अच्छा है
there's
लेकिन
antioxidant on one side, and then there are therapies nowadays, which is ozone therapy, where they inject O3, where they're like
What?
O3 ozone. So it's O3, which is actually quite dangerous for you.
They injected where?
they inject ozone layer in you
Yeah,
कि अगर
O3
ओजोन
basically.
लेयर अर्थ को बचा रहे तो तेरे स्किन को तो बचा ही लेगा डालो
So
इसमें।
ozone therapy. So apparently, like some like celebrities, a bunch of celebrities do ozone therapy.
Are you
which
talking
is
about
dangerous.
oxygen facial?
No. It's ozone therapy.
Please comment below if you have done ozone therapy and what
And
does
why?
it feel like to have the
Why?
ozone layer.
Why are you having this Manikchand water with 500% oxygen?
How was your ozone therapy? How
ये
expensive?
ठाकुर का एक पुराना जोक था. He's talking about
हाँ
Manikchand water with 500% more oxygen.
no now with more oxygen तो मैंने जोक बोला कि अरे this is H2O2 which is hydrogen peroxide which will kill you ठीक है जो मेरे को लगा कि क्या स्मार्ट जोक मारे मैंने एक्चुअल साइंस वाले पब्लिक आ गए कमेंट्स में एक्सक्यूज मी ब्रो when they mean oxygen they mean dissolved oxygen so it's not going to
But it doesn't work for my joke, yeah. Shit, yeah.
असली भाई
I had
पब्लिक
to
हंस
turn
रही है
it.
उधर किसी के बाप
नहीं,
को नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा
Like exactly.
गलत है साइंटिफिकली इनकरेक्ट है ठीक है पर
Yeah.
Meaning, you know,
But तू का स्टेथोस्कोप लेके माइक पे बोल रहा है कि ये देखो मेरे ट्यूटोरियल्स ऑन मेडिसिन गाइस.
मैं कहा 9 में से 10 में से 10 डॉक्टर हूँ जो रेकमेंड कर रहा हूँ
रैट टूथपेस्ट. वो एक डेंटिस्ट खाली रैट टूथपेस्ट रेकमेंड कर रहा है, बाकी सब लोग कोलगेट.
Bro, all I'm saying is if you want to do all this antioxidant and all, Krish Ashok, that's what a masala Krish Ashok, please just follow him. His
मसाला
book-
लैब हाँ he is really good
book is also outstanding.
he's
His
too
book, his book is also outstanding. Please, if you get a chance, do it. It's
मैं उसका ही
But
देखा
Baba,
था
please explain succinctly now what is a antioxidant
Yeah.
and why is it taking my oxygen away?
why it's anti by oxygen why are they not calling it carbon dioxide
so I'm going to read what an antioxidant literally means.
Uh-huh.
It's a substance that protects cells from the damage caused by free radicals. I'll come to what they are.
what the fuck are free radicals
They are unstable molecules made by the process of oxidation.
It's
during
molecules with
normal
very radical
metabolism.
opinions about politics.
So, an
अरे आज बाबा किसके I think
हाँ. अच्छा, so I found out how you do it. Varun, keep your hand there for a while. Keep it for 3 seconds.
मेरे को भी भेजा है बहुत पब्लिक ने ये वाला कि
देख तू हिलाते रहता है बार
it
बार.
never happens consciously it's only when I do randomly it
देखा?
happens.
Keep it there for a while.
Wait 1 second, guys. We need to come back to this
Free
conversation. It
radicals.
can't-
Yeah.
Sorry, free radicals.
no. So,
Antioxidants
so
antioxidants save you against free radicals
basically, what antioxidants do is that they scavenge free radicals from the body cells and prevent and reduce the damage caused by oxidation. So they're not taking away the oxygen, they're taking away the free radicals that happen during oxidation. So therefore, so the protective effect of
then
antioxidants.
technically these radicals aren't free they're easily caught
Basically, they are singles. They're just free. तो single लोग जो घूम रहे हैं उन लोगों को पकड़ के बाहर निकाल रहे हैं.
Fuck, I can't believe ये ब्लूबेरी इतना काम कर रहा है यार.
बेचारा.
ब्लूबेरी को दबा ब्लूबेरी जाके फ्री राइडिंग को पकड़ रहा है. Fuck.
चल इधर से निकल
चल,
अरे
निकल।
मैं तो फ्री हूँ अबे तू कैसे फ्री चल यहाँ से निकल
चल, only couples.
पर सर आप ब्लूबेरी हो. क्या कर रहे हो?
हाँ तो सर आपको तो झाड़ पे रहना चाहिए आप बॉडी में अंदर क्या कर रहे हो अरे मैं फ्री बेरी था लेकिन अभी
मैं बाउंसर बन गया हूँ.
अभी मैं एक
It's my side hustle.
Man, you know, smart people also watch this podcast sometimes.
I'm very sorry
We apologize to the
If
entire
you-
medical community.
if you are a blueberry or an antioxidant or a free radical we're very sorry to misrepresent you like that.
I just
Yeah.
want to say,
The
did you
rest of
say-
this public तुम लोग तो used to है. But अगर आप free radical हो तो sorry.
I'm sorry, did you say three berry in a conversation? You have said,
Did you say a conversation when you were trying to say conversation?
bro, why
Yeah.
didn't you just say मैं पहले सुदेश बेरी था? It would be more
Oh
relevant
no.
for you than to say free berry.
You see what you did, Baba. That was you.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Okay.
सब अच्छा चल रहा
सुदेश बेरी सब अच्छा चल रहा था.
This free
सब हंस रहे थे.
conversation, ये free conversation में तू ब्लूबेरी था और
हाँ.
तूने सारी free
Sudesh
conversation.
Berry, Sudesh Berry is where the joke's at.
Good.
Yeah.
Acha,
If
have you heard of
born
all the
before
new ones,
1997.
new home remedies that have started coming with influencers and everybody?
Oh
So
my God,
everything is
yes.
the new thing. Besan is the new scrub. Okay.
Bro,
Banana is the new Botox.
Uh,
Papaya is the new moisturizer.
One second, I also want to talk about this. Adar, you're 100% right. What I want to just kind of talk about is the thing you started with, which
Besan.
is
Yeah.
which is that there is a new explosion
Of
of
influencer.
home remedies via influencers, right?
Yeah.
Now, what I love is that there is the whole thing is propped up by podcasts, much like this one, where two people sit, right? And
It's a
one
good
person,
editor, good background music.
yeah, and in person, and they sit, and someone says, "So, what is your recommendation for this?" And then one person into the microphone just confidently says,
Bro, ये मेरे साथ कल हुआ है.
Just
ठीक है?
because something has subtitles under it doesn't
Yeah.
mean it's verified.
It's verified.
Subtitle कोई भी डाल सकता है.
No, then you go on the profile ना, फिर तू देखता है अच्छा ये डॉक्टर है, इसके 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर है. कल मैं देख रहा था एक आदमी ने आके बोल दिया है डोंट ईट ओट्स.
Don't eat.
चाचा मैं 10 साल से खा रहा हूँ ओट्स. ओट्स आर बैड फॉर यू.
"It's too late."
तो मैं बोला एक मिनट यार, 24 मिलियन व्यू है इस पे, ठीक है, क्योंकि
The
बहुत
damage is
ओट्स
done.
खाने वाली पब्लिक कंफ्यूज हो गई कि जूते मुझे तो लगा मैं बहुत हेल्दी कर रहा था, रोज सुबह उठ के ओट्स दबा रहा हूँ. उसने बोला नहीं, ओट्स नहीं खाने का. ओट्स में जितना फाइबर बोलते हैं उतना है ही नहीं. In fact, they lie to you. They tell you it's 12 grams protein. It's actually 2 grams protein. उसकी वजह से मैंने आज सुबह ओट्स नहीं खाया ब्रो.
It works. It
मैं
works.
इतने टाइम से खा रहा था ओट्स, आज नहीं खाया.
Breakfast खराब.
कुछ भी बोलते हैं. And the thing is,
Sorry.
the thing is that there is so much information out there now कि you cannot tell, because here's the truth, right? The truth is nobody has the time or the expertise to verify any of these claims, right? So we
Right.
just take it, and the thing is तू टॉयलेट पे बैठ के रील देख रहा है और वो 30 सेकंड में अपना बोल के चला जा रहा है और फिर वो इंफॉर्मेशन तेरे दिमाग में लॉज.
फिर तू आके पॉडकास्ट में 1 लाख लोगों को वही बोलता है कि देख मत खा.
That is why I'm saying you should just eat whatever you want to eat, bro.
Hmm.
and the thing is I'm sorry, but the food and the science and the medicine community need to come together, and they need to just figure out once and for all.
Okay, heroin should be back on the menu, boys.
They need to figure, one is, let's first table the heroin conversation. After that, they should figure out ki, is oil good for you, bad for you?
Yeah.
Is
Is it supposed to be virgin oil, extra virgin oil, or extra virgin oil?
Or do you have to be a virgin if you want to eat oil? It could be any of those things. कि भाई जब तक तू वर्जिन है तब तक तू तेल खा सकता है. एक बार तू वर्जिन नहीं रहा तब तो भाई बंद कर दे, क्योंकि कोलेस्ट्रॉल आ जाता है और तब फ्री रेडिकल भी आ जाता है अंदर की भाई ये वर्जिन नहीं है, अभी पकड़ो इसको.
like because they once they go like every day in the morning.
What extra virgin?
Extra. Now there's extra. There are a couple of extras now.
Yeah,
Why
like
is it extra?
not only has this oil not had sex, it has not even met another human being.
He's never talked to a woman.
But the thing is, the other confusing thing is, one day they'll get out and they'll tell you, every morning have papaya. Every morning without fail have papaya. Then you have it for 5 years. Then they tell you papaya causes cancer.
ये बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं आजकल. ये नॉन स्टॉप चलते ही जा रहा है. ये चलते ही जा रहा है. लेकिन एक चीज सब लोग अग्री करते हैं, आवाकाडो खाओ भाई. मैं आज तक किसी को भी नेगेटिवली बोलते हुए देखा है आवाकाडो के.
मैंने देखा है. मैंने फाइनेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को बोला आवाकाडो मत खाओ because it can severely impact your mutual fund investments.
फाइनेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर बोल रहे हैं भाई तू आवाकाडो बाजू तू ब्लूबेरी खा, क्योंकि वो कॉस्ट में हाफ है, दे
But
रहे
one sec, aren't there some earth people saying don't eat avocado because it
Yeah,
destroys the earth?
Yeah.
as opposed to all the Martians who are all in support of the avocado.
You should eat.
What is Earth people?
You have to eat.
the environmentalist.
You have to eat local. You have to eat locally charged, locally grown.
Locally charged electric avocado. छोड़ दिया।
Free radical
बस मैं
avocado.
एक और चीज चार्ज नहीं कर सकता अभी तू मेरे को बोले avocado चार्ज करना है तो खा नहीं पाएगा। I can't do that. Can't.
Your mic is not working only, Baba, for the full episode. I don't know why you're speaking
Why?
into it.
What, really or what? It's not been working.
अभी ठीक
Oh,
है.
now we can hear you because you just spoke.
My
You've been talking
God.
through the entire episode.
Hold on a second.
Mm.
Now my mic is working.
Now it's working too much.
Oh,
God.
So why don't you say and on that note,
On that note, so much. You guys are amazing. Good night. See you, Shabba Khair. Don't eat oats. Have a lot of heroin. And feel better.
Guys, we don't endorse any of the any
Yeah.
of the stuff
confidently,
that Baba
confidently
says.
बोल देने का.
we don't endorse any avocado, blueberries at all. Heroin, please do.
But some free berries that are available in the market, please
बोल
send,
दे Baba.
please send them
Including?
to Sudesh Berry. Flat number. Kohli number 420.
Nee, or I thought you would come up with some more berries that you have hidden.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some other
Halle
obscure
berry.
references that you want to
Halle
give
berry.
our-
Halle berry.
अरे
अरे
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, सोच ले एक और है कोई, हैली बेरी और सुदेश बेरी।
सुदेश बेरी, चक बेरी.
हो गया ना एक और एक दो और रहेगा वो मेरे को मैथ्यू पेरी
नहीं,
चल भाई,
नहीं,
चल
नहीं,
चल,
ये
खराब
सब
कर
ठीक
दिया.
चल रहा था,
सब
सब
ठीक चल
ठीक
रहा
चल रहा था। तू एक और जेन्युइन अच्छा बेरी बोलता, अपन एपिसोड को एंड कर सकते हैं। अभी तेरे वजह से तो 25 मिनट बात करना पड़ेगा और हमको।
Yeah, now we have to stop बेरी.
चलो चलो, बिफोर दिस डिरेल्स एनी फर्दर, ऑब्वियसली ऐसे क्रेजी रेमेडीज और सारे हैं तो हम इसको एक और एपिसोड में निकालेंगे। तब तक आप अपने दिमाग में खड्डा करो, चूहों से ब्रश करो और हाँ, एपिसोड देखते रहो। मेक श्योर यू गाइस लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, थोड़ा कमेंट, थोड़ा एंगेजमेंट, सब कुछ करो। And yeah, that's it from this episode. If there are any other crazy remedies you know of or you personally do that are totally unverified and you want other people to go ahead and do, type it confidently in the comments, and the most genuine funny one, we will pin it and we will do it live on the next episode.
I want someone to write some nuska and then uske niche ही just disprove it immediately themselves.
सॉरी अभी ट्राई किया, नहीं होता है.
Chalo, on that note, that's it from this episode. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye, take care, tata, salamesh.
I have a question that if I was sketching a fruit, right? And then I was sketching some more fruit, then would I have Drew Barrymore?
Oh my God.
Fuck, bro. Bulla called. He doesn't want you anywhere around him.